Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new series of Trash or Treasure. I hope you're doing well and having a great day. So I am these days decorating my bedroom and most of the furniture that I have is of wood, so I did not want to waste it, and instead of buying a new one I decided to remake and transform my old furniture into a beautiful and new one. In this video, I am transforming this very old, it's around 30 to 40 years old table that I'm trying to transform and make it a tufted bedside bench or ottoman. For that, I have to disinfect it, clean it properly. I used to do videos and projects over it. It was not basically in my bedroom, it was in my studio room. After cleaning it properly, I had to paint it, but later I decided to just polish the wood and keep its natural color. That would look even more expensive and beautiful. Flipped it upside down and started to polish the wood. After polishing the wood, it looks really beautiful and it doesn't look at all like it's very old. I was really happy with the results, but since I have a color scheme of golden and champagne going on my bedroom, so I decided to give a little hue of golden spray paint. It will help it match my overall decor, and I highly recommend if you want to add a piece of furniture in your previously decorated room, any area. So make sure you give it a little accent color. Like gold is my accent color in my bedroom, so I sprayed with the angle, like spraying it in a diagonal. It gives intense color in the base and light hue going upward, since this table is upside down. Then my sister helped me out to mark the diamond pattern. I am so bad with measurements, so she helps me in every measurement and things that need a scale and a pencil. Okay, then my kitty helped it to stay in place, and then with my drill I drilled the holes on the points she marked for the diamond pattern. It was a whole lot of work, but I got it finished in like 4 hours. The final results were really amazing. After everything was done, I put the junk of old furniture. It was a filling of my old couch, so I applied it there, and after that I just laid my 2-inch foam pieces. These are the leftovers from my any previous project, but they were not used. There was a weight over them, so that's why their shape is a little weird. It looks like worn out, but these are not worn out, these are very new. So these are 1 inch and the other one is 2 inch, so I added 2 1 inches and one 2 inches one, laid over it, cut it in size, and then actually I didn't buy anything for this project. I didn't spend a penny on this. I had a velvet sheet. It was kind of new, but I had nothing to do with it. I just bought it. I liked the texture and the color. Basically it's dark brown color. It was night, so I actually don't know how to use this camera in the night mode, so the setting was a little messed out. So well, it's visible. Then I passed the needle from underneath and then pulled it out from the top and pass a button, golden button I was adding with the brown, since I already said that golden is my accent color. and then pull the needle out from the same hole in the table, and underneath I would just staple it with my staple gun, or you can also tie it with some kind of nail or screws. I did both things. I first tied it with a nail and screw, whatever was available, and then stapled it, so it was very tight pulling. This footage I'm adding because to show how to fold the end part. After tufting everything, I started to fold the bottom, folding it in double, and then like making a normal edge and staple it there, and it's pretty secure. Making a crease from the area where the button is and in the corner. I tufted it all sides, and the final results were really amazing. It was amazing. It's the side of my room, it's a part of my room, and I will reveal it soon. First I have to transform some furniture. My new project is going on, and I'll see you in the next project. Make sure to subscribe and like my video. Hope you have a good day. Bye bye.